Welcome back to another hardware wallet review. As a surprise to everyone, including Ledger staff themselves, on their 10th anniversary in June 2024, Ledger announced a new hardware wallet. Taking all the lessons they learned from creating the premium stacks, the Flex was born. Ledger's new mid-tier hardware wallet is designed for users who want a bigger screen, better usability, and more advanced security features. Coming in at $249 USD, its price is positioned between the Nano X and the Stax. At 78 by 56 by 8 millimeters and weighing around 57.5 grams, the Flex is the largest Ledger wallet yet, but still compact enough to carry around. The weight feels just right, not too light as if there's nothing there, but not too heavy to fatigue the hand. The Flex is a huge step in design compared to the smaller Nano models. The aluminum frame and plastic back cover give it a solid premium feel without feeling too bulky. The curved edges allow for easier holding and also give the device a sleeker look. It's smooth to the touch, comfortable to hold, and even the sound feedback is satisfying to the ear. No, literally. Its retro sound gives off nostalgic video game vibes. No case is included, but Gorilla Glass protects the 2.84-inch e-ink touchscreen from scratches and glare. The screen uses 16 grayscale technology, meaning text and transaction details are sharper and clearer. Perfect for clear signing, something we'll cover in another video. But essentially, you can see the entire transaction on the screen at the same time, reducing risk. Do note that there are no colors on the screen itself, just like an e-reader. Altogether, the build quality of this device is second to none. One part of the design that I think is super interesting is that the top and bottom of the device actually have different shapes. This is probably something to do with what components the aluminum casing is protecting on the bottom side. As for color options, you can choose between gray and Bitcoin orange, which changes the color of the aluminum casing. Here's what you'll find inside the Flex box: the Ledger Flex, 3 seed phrase recovery sheets, the setup guide, and a USB-C to C cable. If you enjoy the latest hardware wallet and crypto tech reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates. One extra premium feature on the Flex is the ability to set a lock screen. For those who don't have any NFTs, that's not an issue because you can take any photo that you have downloaded on your phone and upload it to the Flex. Does this mean I can pretend to have a pudgy penguin? Yes. Does that matter? Not really. We can all dream, right? I set mine to Lusty Bag in Northern Ireland, which I recently went to for a wedding. And in my opinion, it looks pretty sweet. Battery life on the device is solid, with up to 10 hours of normal use or 150 transactions per charge. And when it's time to power up, just use the Type-C cable that came in the box. For wireless options, the Ledger Flex comes with Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless pairing, and it even supports NFC, or near-field communication. The device is powered by the CCEAL 6 Plus Secure Element chip. These are the same security chips as the S Plus and Stax, independently certified by ANSI, a French government standard for cybersecurity certification. In my opinion, one of the standout features and advantages of the Flex is its ability to act as a security key, such as a YubiKey, using FIDO2 standards. This means you can log into apps and services securely, without needing or remembering a password. Seriously, it's next level. I use a YubiKey every day, so this is a massive plus for me personally, and you should check it out too. In terms of software and device compatibility, the Ledger Flex works with the following: Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu LTS, Android, and iOS. It's also compatible with 50+ wallets for managing thousands of tokens, DeFi apps, and Web3 assets. Plus, you can install up to 100 apps directly onto the device. NFT support for managing Ethereum and Polygon NFTs is possible through their Ledger Live app. But if you want to send a Solana NFT and upload it as your lock screen, it's not currently possible outside of clicking Save As. We've been told soon. And just recently, Ledger started supporting over 130 SPL tokens on Ledger Live, such as Bonk, WIF, and PopCap. So that's positive news for Solana's future on Ledger. Let's put the Flex next to some of the most popular hardware wallets out there: the Nano S Plus and the Nano X. Next, compared to the Trezor Safe 3. Also, beside the Tangem card, as well as the Tangem ring. Here it is with the SecuX Neo X. And lastly, my Samsung Flip 5 phone. Of all the Ledger products I've tested, and I've tested them all, this one is my favorite. It's something about the weight and the feel of the device in my hand, the way the touchscreen works, and the sound it makes. No joke, has me smiling each time I use it. If you're stuck on deciding on a Ledger device, in my opinion, it's worth paying a bit more than the Nano X for a larger screen, enhanced usability, and additional security features such as NFC and FIDO2 authentication. And then you add on custom lock screens along with clear signing, and the decision is simple. Frankly, in my opinion, this is currently the best hardware wallet at this price point on the market right now, until proven otherwise. So if you want to grab one, check the description and please use my link below. It really helps to support this channel. And a huge thank you to Ledger for sending me over a Flex to try out. You guys are awesome. If this video helped you at all, come subscribe for more hardware wallet content coming soon. Let's see how the next review stacks up. You see what I did there? Yeah, catch you in the next one.